Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Cornelius, a Pope, and Saint Cyprian, a Bishop. They are both martyrs. Sa palagay ko po mga kapatid, lahat po tayo ay nakaranas na ng pagkawala ng mga mahalaga sa buhay natin. At sa bawat pagkawala ng mahalaga sa buhay natin, masakit, mabigat, mabalot tayo ng pighati, ng kalungkutan, tatangis tayo. Pero kakaiba yung nawalan ka na at yung epekto ng pagkawala ay talagang walang-wala ka na. Yung emptiness and perhaps nothingness. Ito po yung sitwasyon ng nanay sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Wala pong estado ang babae kapag wala ang lalaki sa kulturang ito. Kaya simula nung nawala yung asawa niya, naging kalbaryo ng buhay niya, at mas naging kalbaryo ang buhay niya na maski yung kakaisang anak niya na lalaki, kakaisang anak niya ay nawala pa. And this would mean this widowed mother returned to her nothingness. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, this is very unique. This narrative is only found in the Gospel of St. Luke. And there are two strange things that we might observe or notice in our Gospel reading today. Ang una pong strange thing ay yung milagro na ginawa ni Jesus ay kusang ginawa ng Diyos. Kusang lumapit ang Diyos. Yung larawan po ay a funeral procession, and Jesus and His disciples met this procession. And then Jesus approached and did the miracle. Usually when Jesus does a miracle, He allows the people who will be receiving the miracle, the grace of God, to at least evoke or express implicitly their faith. Pero dito, hindi na kailangan ang Diyos ang lumapit. Do not weep, sabi niya sa nanay. And the second strange thing is, yung paglapit ni Jesus, ang kinausap niya ay yung patay. Sabi niya, "Young man, I say to you, wake up." Hindi ba strange yun? Nakasabi mo yung patay. Pero the point of our gospel reading today, it is about a very painful situation. And in this painful situation, Jesus came to the rescue of this woman who practically became nothing when her son died. And dear brothers and sisters, the message is obvious. God knows our situation. And in our nothingness, in our sorrow, in our suffering, in our experience of pain, God will always come to rescue us. When Jesus said to the widowed woman, "Do not weep," Jesus was not being insensitive here, but He was actually too sensitive. He was actually telling to the woman, to the mother, "Do not weep, do not worry. God is here. God will rescue you. God will do something to lift you up." Sana ito yung panghawakan natin. Sana huwag natin kakalimutan. God will always come to rescue us. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.